Hello friends, I'm Mimi, and this is my friend Dodo. Today, we'll be drawing Baby Shark together. If your pencils are ready, let's jump into our drawing tutorial. We start the drawing with the face. First, draw the top part, then draw a large circle for the bottom part and connect it in the middle. We draw the eyes as two large circles. Then, we fill the inside of the circles with our black coloring pencils. At the center of the eyes, draw two small circles to indicate the nose. Then, color the entire face area with your yellow coloring pencils. Draw a semicircle to create the mouth and add teeth at the top. Color the tongue with pink and the rest of the mouth with red using your coloring pencils. Now, we draw Baby Shark's body. On the triangle we've drawn, add the arms to the right and left sides and the fin at the bottom. Then, connect the drawings and color everything with your yellow coloring pencils.